up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. We are, look at this fool. Why my eye look cock-eyed? Look at it. Ooh. Yeah, he's so stupid. Look at my eye. What is wrong with it? What the? I'm looking over here and it's looking over there. What is wrong with my eye? What the? Okay, we are about to go to Nashville for Jason's birthday and to hang out with our friends. Oh, excuse me. So stay tuned. It's about to be a lituation.
We headed to Nashville. They call it Cashville. I'm not sure to take the red or blue pill. Hey, but let me chill. I'm all up in these grills cause I'm coming hard and I'm coming fast. Might reach over and smack you on that. Hey, cause I be flowing. You mad cause the car going. Hey, hi. Now I'm back. Roger said my rap was real whack, but that's okay though. Her head built like a tomato.
Roger on the tray. He's real wet. We driving in the car on the way to Nashville. We about to go get some girls and chill. Flipping on the wheel and I'm going fast. My knee is burning. Rip grass. I don't even know what I'm saying, but I'm rapping real fast. Hit the gas. Yeah. Whoa. Mr. Potato Head sitting in the seat. Looking like a little munchkin, dirty feet. You got too much to say. Running your mouth, but ain't about that A. Clack. Hit you in the face. You ain't gon' do nothing but race in the car. What am I talking? Let me get him. Y'all know I can rap. I'm just playing. Roger B on the track. Man, I'm driving in this car. Man, whipping down to land. I don't even know what I'm saying, but I'm gonna keep on saying. Doing about 80 in this van. I met Camry, it ain't no van. We about to go to Jason's birthday. Top golf later, ayy, ayy. Then we going back to Jack. And Jack is real wet. And I got this little boy beside me. I didn't keep my husband, but he might be. I don't even know he riding with me. And we about to go.
Two whole minutes of garbage. That's what that was. 2 minutes of garbage. Hey, let me adjust my glasses. Now I'm back. I'm about to hit my Roger in her back. Hey, yeah, I said back off twice, but I'm finna go and shoot you like some dice. Shake it up, shake 'em up, bake 'em. Watch me come through and just break 'em. Hey, right into my pocket. I make Roger pop, lock, and drop it. On this, I can't say that cause we got kids watching this. Hey, keep it PG-13. Oh, I'm losing. Dang it. Please don't do this. My mind forsake me. Hey, come here, baby.
That's alright. We was wet. We was trying to get my music on track. But now I'm back. Just like that. Y'all was hating, talking about I couldn't rap. But I can. Y'all just lame. Y'all just mad. Quit hating, man. I'm doing my thing. I'm in my lane.
These niggas don't wanna see me cause I'm ballin'. These niggas see on my jump and I keep calling. Your mama calling you, bitch, you ain't got calling. Bro, you like a mime. You like you know the mimes that be doing this.
I was chilling in that crystal.
What you do?
I was doing by 80 with my feet. Trying to get the Jason and Vita.
Vito.
Thought I about to get
Jason and Vito.
cops, you know they be lurking.
Vito.
Trying to just get their
Jason
safe
and Vito.
without getting pulled
Jake.
Driving in the sky and it's cold. We got this air on bird. We gotta get the X7B so we can go chill. I gotta pee. We going to the Top Golf later, and we gon' swerve on some haters. And we gon' be looking real nice. I hope these girls don't wanna fight. We don't do that stuff.
Nope.
We be chillin' real tough. Looking like we got $1 million. But we really don't be flexing ballin'.
Hey.
Flexing on me, y'all, with
Hey.
the shirt on.
Hey.
Got some Adidas and burn on.
I did I.
And it's really cold and it's cotton. And we tryna get our fly on. And we just riding while we coolin'. Chillin' and bootin'.
What's the move?
Me and my hubby is riding.
I know.
Yeah, y'all know we is vibing.
Trimming out the bando.
Y'all need to subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe.
Get my subs up so I can get these hammers.
Hammer time.
Y'all gon' try to be my friend. And I'ma swerve on y'all, man. Cause y'all be trying to watch my stuff. But don't be subscribing, that's tough. Looked at my views today. They going up, hey. We're here. We're in Nashville. And Jason in the video room.
No. They kept coming in, and they run through the front door, and I'm like, what are y'all doing? Oh, I don't know whose name that is.
My goals, I be walking with a side nose, and I'm also walking with my side home. All the time, I be walking when I'm
Like that shirt.
standing down 5'4", stand on my money now 6'6".
We gotta be perfect. You just gotta be worthy. Yeah.
Run like a bat out of hell.
Shit. Goddamn. Get up off me. Two, are y'all back there smoking weed? All we smell is weed. We like, what? Who the hell smoking?
I can't get weed from behind you.
We don't know, but we smell it. It ain't none of us got none.
I ain't tech education.
No, you can smell it if it's in the air. You, duh.
Hey, well, I'm saying weed for the guys behind
We are at We are at Top Golf, and we're here for Jason's birthday. Jason in the cut, and we're just having a good time.
My head greasy.
I'm gonna do the same thing too, cause I don't know how to do it. Oh, there we go. I hit it though.
Look where your head. That'll work. You hit it.
That was your practice. That was my practice.
Oh, there you go.
That was a warm up.
Out of his way real quick. Mango margarita. You got it. Mango margarita. Bing. There you go. Really care. I just want something strong.
I hope the mango one good. Ow, 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 ow.
For your money.
Y'all had to see it. Y'all had to see it.
Crystal owed me $4 for them points I gave her.
He's like, you owe him $4 for them points he gave you.
That's what it is. At least $4.
What he said to you?
I said, y'all thirsty. Why y'all following us?
I thought you were leaving. I had to see you standing right here with us.
Who thirsty?
Look at you, being thirsty with them. Don't follow. Don't be thirsty with them.
I ain't got to be thirsty. I got mine.
And you got one too?
Who is that?
Don't get beat up outside
Right.
in public. in front of
With these pink flamingos on.
You got whipped by your wife.
Now that's gonna be on YouTube. Black man with pink flamingos get whooped by his wife.
Girl, stop.
So long. Farewell. Happy birthday to the birthday boy. Yep, we about to say farewell to YouTube. Boy, you look like you about to go to school.
Yes. I hit that with the school on the road.